Introducing PathPal by Pathfinders, consisting of Eric Plauché, Quincy Franklin, Reagan Jose, and Jimmy Hall. We are all a part of Dr. Nemo's Engineering 122, Section 1, for the fall 2024 quarter.
Man, I wish I could see that board. I wish there was something that could help me. Oh, it's a PathPal station.
Introducing PathPal.
That was pretty cool. Now I know everything that the board said, and I couldn't even see it. Alright, so as you can see here, this is the bracelet. There is an Arduino, and it is connected to a RFID sensor and also a Bluetooth module. The RFID sensor is for scanning tags, and the Bluetooth module is for sending data.
And over here we have the RFID ball here. In the case, it has a hinge and a lock so that you can actually lock it up. And then this ball has an RFID tag embedded on the inside of it, so that the stand is just a mobile design where you can put it wherever, and it doesn't need any power in order to operate. So if it is a larger area, you don't have to run an extension cord in order for this to function.
Throughout the development of this project, we had two major goals. One, to make sure that this product would be easy and accessible to use. And two, to make sure that blind people would actually be able to use this product. Now, as none of us are visually impaired, we knew that we had to do a fair bit of research. We went on online forums, we looked at other alternative products in the market, but the most important thing we did was talk to the Center of the Blind, located here in Ruston. Namely, Mrs. Pamela Allen, the executive director, helped us a lot with our project. She gave us a great outline of what to do, what to stray away from, what we should improve, and what we shouldn't improve. A good example would be in our very first prototype, how when we were trying to make navigation easier, we tried modifying the guide stick. But whenever we met with her, she told us that it wasn't actually a good idea because a lot of blind people hate the idea of the guiding stick being modified, which makes sense. They've been using this all their lives and they don't need help navigating. They know how to get from one place to another, they just need to know where the places are. So our product seeks to make that a little bit easier for them.
So for this project, we would have used three different engineering disciplines. That would have been electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, as well as cyber engineering. Now the electrical engineering just would have been on the wristband itself with all of the wiring going around it and such. The mechanical just would have been the overall design of the box and everything that goes into that. And then the cyber engineering would have just been built off of all of the code that has to go with the background to get the RFID sensor and the Bluetooth module to be able to work.
PathPal uses a system of RFID emitters and receivers, along with a Bluetooth microprocessor, to provide a more comprehensive system of information transfer. Once grabbed, the RFID tag inside of the rubber ball relays a unique ID number to the microprocessor. The microprocessor then runs this UID through a pre-coded database where it is correlated to a pre-recorded sentence.